Hello, fellow Forex investors. Today is August 3rd, 2015. And, we had a really volatile market last week as, the market was really trying to figure out what it wanted to do with the euro against the U.S. dollar and actually against the other pairs as well. What does it want to do with the U.S. dollar? There are a couple of things that I would say here. First off is that from a fundamental standpoint, we're still looking for a sell on the euro dollar. Okay, that's number one. Number two is what I'd like to say is that the technicals don't exactly line up, but we do have technical support here. I don't know if you've seen this, but this is what it looks like. This dates back from 1984, which obviously we didn't have a euro. We had a Deutschmark, and you can see that it pretty much the Deutschmark lines up with the euro prices, so euro valuation. So 1, 2, 3. Even if we didn't have that, we could start back in 2000. You can see that this line totally corresponds and has 3 hits, and now the fourth one. And so we have our support area. We also have resistance, guys, that we're going to look to here as well. I'm looking on the monthly chart, by the way, and it looks something like this. So this is what we're looking for. We're probably going to look for maybe price to come down to 1.0700, maybe, and we may see price bounce all the way back up to 133, sorry. But we have no fundamentals that stand in line with that. If we do get some bad news on the U.S. dollar or some really, really good news on the euro, we may see that begin to move that direction. Right now, it's still calling for a sell. So we've got to keep on following a sell for now until we do get confirmation of potentially a turnaround on these pairs. So we're calling a sell still, but we're very close to support areas, and for us to continue to sell beyond these areas, we'd have to look for a break of this trend line, which is currently at 1.0680. Okay, so in that vicinity, we'd be looking for that. So today, anyway, what are we looking for today? I'm actually going to be looking for specific calls on just a few pairs. Number one is the euro dollar. If we go down to the lower time frame, what I'm going to be looking for is right here. There's a pod 1 strong, and if we look across here, there's really nice support and resistance right where that M formation formed, this double top. Right at 110.20. So we're going to actually call 110.25 on the on this pair, and we're on the euro dollar. We're going to have the 200 EMA, also the that horizontal area of support and resistance, and we have the pod 1 strong just right above it. So we're going to be looking for resistance there. We're at 110.25 sell on the euro dollar. On the dollar Swiss, we're going to be looking for, and this was actually perfect, nice move to the upside, 0.9620 here on the dollar Swiss. So we're looking for price to come back to the pod B strongest, bounce off that, and then continue to move forward. We've already seen that. We're looking to see that again. Pound dollar no call, dollar yen no call, Aussie dollar no call. Now New Zealand dollar, we've been calling a sell on this thing from the beginning, and we're going to continue to sell. We're going to look for a sell at 0.6630, which is where we came from, and it's where the 50 MA is right below. So that's going to be our resistance area. And so we're going to be looking for 0.6630 sell on the New Zealand dollar. All right, what else? The dollar CAD. The dollar CAD moved up. We expected it to buy. It bought. Now we're looking for another area of support and resistance, and that support and resistance zone is going to be at 1.3036 here. So 1.3036. And we have an area of support and resistance there. A lot of horizontal support and resistance there. 50 EMA coming up on the 4-hour, not to mention some other indicators which mark 1.3036 is a very good area of support and resistance. So that's what we're looking for there, guys. Those are our calls. Euro dollar 110.25 sell, dollar Swiss 0.9620 buy, New Zealand dollar 0.6630 sell, dollar CAD 1.3036 buy. Guys, happy trading. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.